Let's talk about the e-parking brake settings for Toyota Alphard. Usually, it will engage and disengage itself. Okay, but sometimes it might not. It depends on the settings that the previous owner set. You can turn on or turn off automatically by yourself. For example, if I want it to be off, I just press and hold. You press it, but you keep pressing and hold it, okay? Now it's off. So you have to manually engage or disengage yourself. I shift to drive.
Front.
And now the parking brake is still engaged. To turn it back on automatically, just pull. You pull it, then you hold it. You heard the beep sound, then yes. Now the mode is on. So this is how you do it on Toyota Alphard or the Vellfire. How about the Toyota Voxy? I haven't tried before. Let's try it. Okay. It got no light actually. You can only check here. This one. Okay.
No ETC card is inserted.
Let's try. Yeah, the indicator is here. So if I want to turn it off, I try to press and hold it. Keep holding. Deactivated. So I have to do it manually. Pull. Now it's engaged. I shift to drive. Yeah, it's still engaged. Okay, now when I turn it on, should be the same, just pull and hold. Yes, it's the same. As for the Lexus, let's try the Harrier. Okay, the light is here. Okay, now it's purple. So I turn it off. Press and hold. Okay, deactivated. Pull and hold. Now it's activated. So all the Toyota, Alphard, Vellfire, Harrier and the Voxy, they are the same. Now let's check out the Lexus. Okay.
Rear.
Try to turn off. Okay, we turn off now. Automatic mode off.
Front.
Okay, now we turn it on. Pull and hold. Yes, the Lexus is the same too. Okay, that's a quick one for today. Thank you.